Previously. Ooh, bye-bye, pretty light. Ooh. Continuing on the episode. Hey everybody! See my truck! Ooh! Dude, you got this truck! Yep! Where did you ever find the money for this? Yeah, I mean, how? How in the world? You live on a rock farm. Hey, I used to live on a rock farm, but now I got this truck! Yeah, it's pretty nice. Woo, Nelly! Pinkie Pie, still, wherever did you get that truck? Yes, I found it, I guess. Oh, wow, Pinkie. It's so awesome! It's like, whoa! Look at these huge tires. They're bigger than I am. Ooh, I go going in the box. Ooh, it's homey in here. Make yourself at home. Now, everybody hop in. Da-na-na-na-na-na. There's this little box in the back for other ponies like you guys. Oh, no. No, Pinkie Pie, I'm hopping in the box. It's Rimadash. Yeah! Ow, you squashed me, Applejack. Sorry. Oh, I'm never, ever getting in the back of that old dirty pickup truck. Yes you are. Hey, put me down! Put me down! Oh, I cannot even stand this. Oh, here you go, Fluttershy. No, I can just fly in there by myself. Oh, it's so cool up in here. Now you too, Twilight. Pinkie Pie! I can just fly in there by myself. I don't need somebody to babysit me. Okay. Everybody, lay down. It's gonna move. By the way, no sudden moves. Whoa, I said no sudden moves. Ah! Well, I guess we're back on the road again. Yeah, that did not turn out good. But that was awesome. Never do that again, Pinkie. Never do that again. But it was so much fun. And I told you guys not to make any sudden moves. I can see why you got that thing. Well, how you managed to get it. Doesn't even work properly. Yeah, that was really, really scary. Well, come on, let's get going. The noise! I know, I heard that too. The little critters, they need us. We still need to find them. My hooves hurt. Rarity, stop complaining about your hooves. We need to find those critters. Yes, we need to go find the critters. Fluttershy, we need your help. Will the ponies ever be able to find the critters? We really need to find them. You need to stay tuned for our next video and find out what happens next.